Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Let's start with the most basic thing in Python in 1 minute, printing. So we use the print function, this is the print function that I'm referring to show text or results on the screen. For example, you see that here I have the print function and in parentheses we are having the hello world message. This tells Python to show the message hello world. Now let's talk about comments. So here you see that I've got some comments that are shown in green. So a comment is a note in your code that Python ignores. You write a comment using the symbol pound, and it's great for explaining what your code does, especially when you're just learning. So here, for example, I am printing 5 plus 3 or I am printing 42 using the print function, and you see that here after the pound symbol we are having the comments that Python ignores. Thank you for watching.